morning everyone, this is day 3 of 3. So finally we have the last stretch to reach from Xlendi to Mgarr Harbour again. The total circumference of the island is about 55k and we already done about 42k. So we have some pain, we have some blisters, but everything okay. We are a team and we are working together. Let's do this and finish the trip. Now we are heading to Mgarr through the valley, which is full of thorns. So let's hope it will be okay. I'm still with my friends.
Hello! How's everybody doing?
Now we are going inside the valley. Here we have been caught between water and bamboo sticks, so let's hope for the best.
المالي كوميدي المالي كوميدي زمان الهضوات عندي
Here we encountered a big obstacle, which is water, and we cannot complete in the valley, so we had to climb up the walls so we can continue up here. Here we encountered another obstacle. Apart from all these thorns, we have to negotiate them. Come on, Stuart! It's Daniel coming down from the hole in the rock. It's the only passage here because around it's impossible with all the thorns. Then we will continue in the valley. This is Conrad doing one of his famous photos, and here is the pumping station. This is a short break we did at Mgarr Harbour. And finally, we have arrived at Mgarr Harbour again after 2 days of trekking. Around 55k of trekking, bouldering and everything. But we made it. Last few meters and we have arrived to Mgarr Harbour. Not bad, eh? We have burned some calories as well. Finally it's done. We are at Mgarr Harbour and going to board the ship. And hopefully we're going back to Malta. Have a good shower, something to eat and a good sleep. Finally we did the 3-day trek, 55